We're back. Alright, so today I said I was gonna try and finish my Lego set while I'm at work. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna take it one bag at a time and see. Like, I gotta see if I can do it. So here's the, here's the book. We got stickers. And we got 6 bags. So I'm gonna try. I'm really gonna try. Like, I'm gonna open bag 1 and 2 right now, and I'm about to sort it real quick. And we gonna see if we gonna be able to do. We gonna be able to do this. So I'm gonna bring you down to the level of the Legos. Let me see if I can get a good spot. Hold on. Okay, I think this is a good position, maybe. All right, can y'all see? Well, y'all can't see. I'm trying so y'all don't get any of that. Let's see. I don't want to put it over here because I got my mouse right here. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I don't know what I want to do. I'm wondering if I should get a table or something. I don't think this is a good position. Hold on, y'all. I really can't believe I'm finna try this. Like, I'm scared about losing pieces. I'm scared to, like... Oh, shit. Okay, bag 1 is open. Bag 2 is open. Alright, I'm about to sort it. Should I do 3? I mean, 3 is kind of small. I feel like I should just open 3 as well. Oh, I'm scared as fuck, y'all. If I lose these pieces, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be so fucking mad. Okay, bag 2. We opened it, okay? Again, this is what we're working on. Something small, but at the same time, I'm trying to work too, so let's see if I can get it done. Now, y'all not gonna be able to see it regularly like how I usually do it. I almost thought I lost a piece. Okay, bag 3 open. Oh my god, I almost forgot a piece! In bag 2! Lord Jesus. Okay. So we got bag 1, 2, and 3 open, right? We're just gonna have to work fast. Like this. But we can't work too fast. Yeah, I'm real nervous. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if this is gonna work out. I don't know if this is gonna work out. But it's gonna have to work out. Let's see. I'm gonna get y'all a decent view of what I got. Okay? Y'all see that? Alright, cool. Alright, cool. So we got 4, 5, and 6 not open. But we do got stickers and shit too. Alright, I'm gonna put these in a good place. Alright, so I got a couple minutes to just sort real quick. And then I'm gonna start work. And then, oh my god, yeah, this is gonna be a doozy. Ugh. I wanted to have a helmet. I forgot one thing. Because, I don't know if y'all see, hold on, let me just get it real quick. I had found a broken Lego, right? It was roughed up, right? We finna give it some hair. Because this one has hair, right? Or it has a helmet. But we gonna give my man some hair. He look righteous. This nigga look righteous. He look righteous. He had no hair at first. I don't think I'm doing this right. But he ain't had no hair at first. But now he got hair. He got him a little cane because he got one leg. He righteous though. Alright. You in there. You in there. He is watching I'm using up too much of my time, bro. Okay, let me hurry up. Actually, I'm about to just start. Also, the time is 12:57, so we'll see how long it's gonna take. 12:57 p.m. I live in Texas, so that's what? Is that Central Time? I think that's Central Time. Keep that in mind. Thank you for coming. I gotta put on some stickers. So, pray for me for the stickers, y'all. Pray for me. I wish my mom could put these stickers on. Yes, sir. My mom's pretty good at putting stickers on. I remember she used to do that all the time when we were kids. We had a Barbie house, and she did a lot to that Barbie house, let me just say that. But the stickers, she didn't play about the stickers. Yeah, I had to take a little break. Time right now is 2:37. I got most of, well, I don't know how many more pages I got, but, well, about 30, 40. I got about 40 pages left. Yeah, man, I had to take a break. I had to take a little break. My, whatchamacallit died. My camera died, so. I went to this new place. No, I tried it before. And it was decent. But they're like new opening and stuff, so I ordered like 3 things and they didn't have half of the shit. I'm lying, they had the shit, but it didn't make it right. And then I went back today. Why? I have no fucking clue. And I bought some nachos. They were terrible, right? But I put them in a taco, and now they taste good. So maybe I just needed a shell. But yeah, it's 2:38. Got 2 bags left, 5 and 6. So we're almost done. I'm gonna get back to it in a second. I'm gonna catch y'all. We're back at it. Here goes the Alright, y'all. It's 6:02. It is 6:02. Well, let me add that last wheel while I'm over here trying to say I completed it. Boom. Boom. Let me put my passenger in. Boom. Okay, ready to go. So I was able to finish it. It took mad long. I feel like if I wasn't at work, I would have finished this already. But just a little challenge I wanted to do for myself. See if I was able to get that done. So, for those of y'all who said I wouldn't and couldn't do it, and for those of y'all who was rocking with me and said I could do it, thanks. Because I did it. But it just took mad long. Like I started at 12 something. It's 6:03. That's crazy. But all in all, have fun doing it. F1 Formula. Another one done. Another one in the closet. So thanks for tuning in, y'all. Check the next one. See ya.